hurricane basically, isn't it? Holy crap! We have been advised to stay in. Oh, America!
You gotta shut our curtains to stay away from
yeah,
windows.
it's even more damage is caused. We gotta take cover soon.
Yeah, this is gonna be fun!
Hello, 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 and welcome to November the 9th. It is my birthday today.
Yay, happy birthday!
Yes, and we are literally an hour or two away from a hurricane, basically, isn't it? Well,
yes.
It is a hurricane. It's been upgraded to a hurricane.
Tropical storm at the moment, but yeah, we'll see how it does.
Yeah, and as you can see, which you probably can't from the video, but
well, there we are, over there. You used to be able to see the volcano and everything.
That's right, just over there. It's
very hard.
in the mist. So, they've been advised to stay inside, so we are going to go out for a birthday meal. We are going to a place that I've always wanted to go to, thanks to mainly The Big Bang Theory. My oldest brother Richard, he's been there. So it's something I've wanted to cross off the list for a while.
I've been to The Big Bang Theory.
Ha! This guy!
I realise that
Holy crap! Well, as you can see, we're still in Florida, so Kenny's still come out in shorts and t-shirt.
well, it's not even cold.
No, that's what I was just about to say. I'm in a hoodie just because of the wind. The wind really pick up.
Sorry, yeah.
I got the flag that, thanks. But yeah, it's still not cold. Where did you park?
Down that way past that brake track.
So yeah, as we said, it is my birthday today, and we spent the morning doing laundry,
Yay.
which is fantastic. So we're going to try and make the most of it today, go out for a meal.
Before the storm really kicks in. It's kicking in a bit later on this afternoon.
Yeah.
As you can see, this is just the start of it.
Yes, so we have been advised to stay in.
We stocked up yesterday, so we're all good.
Oh yeah, true, yep. We did our essential runs yesterday. So now, oof. Oh. God, it's, with the weather here, there's one extreme or the other. And it can literally happen in the same day. You could be absolutely boiling, and then within minutes, it's torrential rain, which is what happened to us when we were in Universal. So I find that really weird. You can turn right on a red light as long as there's nothing coming. Oh, America!
Yeah, it works though.
It does. Do you know what? It does actually. Yeah. As long as you're on an well, a lot of the drivers here are morons.
I was just gonna say,
some of the driving quality we've seen.
Dude, honestly,
wow.
I thought people were bad in the UK.
Yeah, I'm not exaggerating. So the amount of close calls we've seen and been involved with.
Oh yeah.
Just because not paying attention, but look at this weather. Never believe it in Florida.
Look at those structures. I got a merge you can pull in. I got a thing like.
Maybe I should keep this running as a dash cam as evidence. Yeah, boy. Cheesecake Factory. Let's get inside, huh?
It's like on that tree.
Wow. The what?
Mall of Millennium.
Mall? I think you mean.
Sorry,
Right,
yeah.
yes, Cheesecake Factory.
Very busy.
Oh, it's busy. Now, actually both of us, we both absolutely love cheesecake. So what better place to do it than the Cheesecake Factory? Now, a lot of people don't realise they've got a very, very varied main menu as well, which really surprised me.
Literally everything.
Yeah.
Pastas,
yeah, that's what I was going to say. Burgers, it was all funky stuff
everything.
that we sliders, everything. So I've decided I'm going to go for.
The light bulb is not working. Over there, not over here.
Alright, sorry about that. I'm going for the spicy chicken chipotle pasta, and she just warned me that it is quite spicy. I'm not the best with spicy food, but we'll give it a go. Wanted to try something different rather than your usual burgers and stuff like that. What did you go for?
I went for the Baja shrimp pasta, I think.
Oh, did you? Ooh.
Yeah.
Saw that did sound good.
Yeah.
I'm not 100% made up my mind up on the cheesecake. I wanted to show you the menu, but she's taking it away. There's so
Honestly,
many.
anything you can think of as a combination in a cheesecake. But me, I'm gonna go for the original because what better to go for that, you know, and somewhere that's known for cheesecake.
Yeah, well that's what we were saying. But places like this, they're known for their cheesecake, so you have to try the original. So my plan is to go for something a bit different and then steal some of Kenny's. So we'll find out either way. But yeah, hopefully I imagine they'll bring another menu around, so we'll run you guys through it. But at the moment, even the bread looks good.
Oh man,
that looks like a brownie. Even that bread is amazing. Just wanted to say quickly, we got here, I think it was about 10 to 3.
Yeah.
Now, wait wasn't too bad, but it was a bit chaotic on there.
Yeah, I think a lot of people are obviously indoors as well at the moment because of the hurricane. So a lot of people are coming out before it kicks in. So yeah, it was absolutely rammed. We had nowhere really to sit at the beginning, did we?
No. And then it did clear up a bit. Yeah, you guys saw the weather outside. But yeah, should join us when the food comes. I'm so excited for this. All right. So spicy chicken pasta, that looks absolutely. I don't know what these crispy bits are.
Onions,
Oh, yeah, probably.
Yeah.
No, yours.
Bistro shrimp.
Yeah,
that's what it is.
Bistro
shrimp. Now it did look pretty good until it just had a lot of cheese on it, but
yeah, they just naturally brought cheese on. I don't know if there's something we're missing there or whether that's just customary.
It's a pasta thing in it.
That's very true, actually. Yeah. So, yep, free refills as always, but we're going to get stuck in and let you know what this guy's like. Right, although I was warned, it was very spicy. That was the perfect amount of spice. As you can see, I really enjoyed that by the look of it.
Well, mine sucked. No, I'm joking. That honestly was one of the best meals I think we've had here.
Yeah?
For myself, yeah.
I think I kind of agree, because we were just saying off camera that it's nice to have something with vegetables, as we've had so much crap food or fast food, whatever you want. A bit of everything, but it's nice to have a bit of a break. Right, my issue is that filled me up way more than I wanted it to. So, yeah, she's just gone to get a cheesecake menu now, so we'll show you the full menu. We've got to try some. We've got to try some.
I'm so full though, and I don't want any, but I do want it, I guess.
But what they've done in most places is they'll offer you like a doggy bag or something to take it home. So we're probably going to have 1 or 2 bites to take it home. But either way, we have to try some. So there is the cheesecake menu, or the dessert menu. I've counted 34 different iterations of cheesecake. That's not including the normal fudge cakes and that. That is an impressive amount of, that's really creative. So I think what we're going to do is, Kenny's going to order the original. So like I said, we have to try the original. And I think we're then going to go for the ultimate red velvet cheesecake, because who doesn't love red velvet?
Yeah, sorry, I'm on my phone. We just hit a massive milestone. We just hit over 600,000 views on the channel.
600,000 views. That really is, that's an insane milestone for us. It seems like not too long ago we were jumping for joy at 100,000 views, so thank you guys so much. We cannot explain.
We were just, 1,000 views.
Yeah, I mean,
it's unreal, man. Unreal.
It's going crazy, and like we always say, it's always thanks to you guys. The support we get is crazy. So yeah, well, there's plenty more to come.
Yeah, here's the next load.
Yes. Oh, here it is. Now, one thing we noticed straight away, mine seems to be twice the size of Kenny's. Heard that before? But that does look amazing. So that's the original. This is what they're known for.
Exactly.
So let's dig in.
See what else tastes like. Because you've got more.
Mine's actually stuck to them. Wow. That is huge. I'm gutted I just missed your reaction then.
I just had a taste of food, man. Wow.
So I tried the original. That's nice.
It's good. I haven't even tried this.
No.
So look at this. Right, this.
Still going. That is crazy, right?
Oh man, yeah, both. Well, we got them in boxes because I got them in boxes because I thought, if I take some of the back, there's no way I'm leaving any of this. You've got to roll out here.
Oh my god. Yes, I can see why this place is called the Cheesecake Factory. Yeah, boy. Oof. Cheesecake Factory done. Kenny managed to eat all his. I chose to stop on mine because I know.
Oh my god.
That's why I stopped. Yeah, so with the Cheesecake Factory, Kenny was saying, when he first came, he assumed, well, you were with your dad, weren't you?
Yeah.
He assumed that the Cheesecake Factory was just dessert. I'm not gonna lie, I did think the same until I watched Big Bang. So we cannot recommend enough. The menu was amazing, the food, the pasta.
Oh, it was absolutely stunning. Everything about it was great. Fair play.
I think we do want to go back, and we will be trying more. I'm not one to usually go out and try pasta dishes, but that was spot on, so I think we will try another one.
Yeah.
So, no idea what we're doing next, but we shall see.
Let's head back.
Yes.
Because of this hurricane's coming.
Yes. Oh yeah, we gotta take cover soon.
Once we get the center of Nicole to be up into Georgia, we're gonna get those winds.
Right, so as you can see, it's still a tropical storm, Nicole, at the moment. But Kenny was just watching, said they are considering.
Heads up. It's not
hurricane warning. And didn't you just say for the second time in history?
Yeah, I think that's what they just said. The second time in history that they've had a hurricane in November in Florida. But there's also
Happy birthday to me.
Also potential for tornadoes.
What?
So
yeah, this is getting pretty serious now. So they're closing Disney early. You said Daytona is washing out already.
yeah, Daytona's already flooding. And what they're also saying, we've had a letter through off the hotel that we got to shut our curtains to stay away from windows, put all our stuff safe,
Crazy.
and make sure we got a torch or lighting because there might be power outages.
What? Yeah, this is gonna be fun. Real. This is absolutely crazy. Let's have a quick look where we are. Yeah, this is getting interesting. Good morning, all. It's November 10th. It's the day after the alleged hurricane.
Well, it came in this morning at like early hours. It's still very, very windy.
It's still very windy, as you can see behind us. It's still cloudy and misty. It's cool. It has already, we've noticed, caused damage. There's a sign just over there that's actually blown all the way off. There's some turf that Kenny noticed on the floor that's all been torn up, so it's like some serious stuff.
Well, it kept us awake for quite a few hours.
Yeah, and then the way last night it didn't seem to be doing much, but this morning, early hours this morning actually woke us up. We're going for breakfast and hopefully the place is open. There's even more damage is caused.
Yeah, to the building.
Yeah, I'll say luckily we are walking. We're going to go to Denny's for breakfast. We're going to walk, see if we can capture anything else. But even the sky, it's just cloud now.
Pretty
Which
mild
is,
here. I think we're out of the wind itself, like, so
yeah.
It's really, really windy though.
It's still not cold though, it's really weird.
No, it's not. I brought my jacket, it's boiling.
Yeah. Run! Alright, scratch that. It's an hour wait for Denny's. So we're not doing Denny's, we're going to come back to Old Trusty. IHOP!
Yeah, screw Denny's.
That's a lot of plates. Yes. Oh, that's Denny's done.
Denny's?
I keep saying that. Right, IHOP, as you can see by the big sign behind us.
Yeah.
Right, so it's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon now. The storm seems to have cleared.
Yes.
For the main part.
Yeah, it's supposed to chill out a lot more now anyway. It's gone over to the west coast and now it's heading up, so
it shouldn't touch us. Well,
no,
that's
that's what I said. That's why it's starting to calm down now. So yeah, we're out of the worst, I think.
Yes, so that was our experience of Hurricane Nicole. Like I said, last night really picked up. The wind was insane to the point where it woke us up at about 4 AM.
Yeah,
but hopefully now
a few times.
It did, yeah.
It's terrible.
But hopefully now we can enjoy the rest of the holiday. Stay up to date. Stay tuned. God, it's so tired. Stay tuned for more vlogs, guys. We're going to be doing a lot more. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Windy time.